Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the channel. In today's video, I want us to talk about my breakout strategy that I use to catch trades on the financial markets. So let's say we have an uptrend where we have series of high highs and higher lows, and then suddenly with price breakout to take out this trend line. So I want to show you guys how to take advantage of breakouts, and then we can also have downtrend like this, where price will just move all the way to the outside to give us a breakout. So how do you know if it's going to break out or not? Okay, so let's start from the uptrend. Okay, so let's say price gives us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's say high, and we draw our trend line connecting all the levels, so we can take or we can join the trend. All right, so when price approaches the trend line, we always look forward to it, buy to the upside. But then when price hits the trend line, what do? You wait to see if it's going to give you confirmation for the buys or it's going to give you confirmation for sales. So there are two ways that you can take trade with the breakouts. It's either you wait for it to break and you test the trend line or the zone, and then you take it all the way to the downside. Or you can also wait for it to hit your trend line, and then mostly you can draw your rectangle or a box over there where you wait for a series of candles to form, and then look for a candle that will give you a good breakout, and then you can join the breakouts. As you put your stop loss right above, and then targets the major low using these levels as take profits. All right, so these are the two ways to catch entries with the breakouts. So let's look at the downtrend as well. We have high, low, lower, lower, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So when price okay. So when price goes to the trend line, we look forward to sell, but then what if we break to the outside? So what do? We wait for price to break and retest the level and look for confirmation and buy to the upside. That is one. The second one is that we wait for it to do this confirmation before taking the trade to the upside, which, as I said earlier, we draw our zone right here and look for the breakouts. So for you not to be trapped, it's better to wait for the breakouts here. Wait for breakouts and then put it to the upside using these user levels as your take profit. So let's go to the charts to see if we can see some few examples. And it works on all time frames. So let's say we have a trend here, which is obviously going up. And then all of a sudden, what did you see? A breakout. Okay. So if you, sorry, if we check here, you will see price bouncing on the trend line, telling us that price is about to go up. What did you see? After here, prices broke down, and then retested the level and give us confirmations right here. So give us a break and a retest, and then give us entry somewhere here, stop loss right above the level, and then we target this level, which we have already fixed our first take profit level, another take profit level, and the last one. So you can see how simple it is to use the breakout strategy to catch an entry. So let's look at another example again. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's say we're having a downtrend like this. Okay, so price, anytime price hits the trend line, it sells. But when you go to it, it didn't. So what do? We wait for price to give us a break and a retest. And then we can look for our entry and then target the high, for example, and move us our stop loss right here. And then we mark up these levels and this and this as well. So we can see we gave us some few pips. Let's see how many pips. Let's see how many pips it did before obviously. Okay. Give us about 37 pips. So at least that is like 1:1. So once price give you 1:1, you can self break even. And then this will be like a break even trade or maybe take some partials or something. But you can see how it works, giving you a break and a retest on a trend line, take profits going up. So that is how you can take your trades. But then if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, you might even get your entry right here, somewhere here. Yes. 5 minutes time frame might even find your entry, which you might end up getting, yeah, 1:2. So 1:2 is 1. So you can see how powerful it is when you use a breakout strategy. see. So I want to end it here. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I will give you a reply. So please subscribe, like the video, and so share to your friends as well, so they can also learn how to trade by using the simple strategies to catch some moves in the market to make some profits. See you in the next one. Bye.